Gold and silver traded in a narrow range with modest bullishness throughout the day. We can see gold getting support at 27.30.32 on the downside, while on the upside 27.30.46 levels proven out to be a greater resistance. I have mentioned in my first update with the Asia and Europe session the levels which are going to remain critical. Precisely, the levels are respected. Now, what to expect from the metals with the US? Can we expect a rise, or there is a possibility of a bearishness? What is going to be our strategy in order to profit? We will see with the help of charts and indicators. This is the second update for the day. And this is the only channel to give you 2 updates a day with detailed analysis with logical reasoning for you to take a particular trade at a particular price and take profit as well. Subscribe to the channel and press the bell icon. Do like, share and comment. Join the free Telegram channel for live updates and join the channel memberships here on YouTube to support the effort. Let's start first to look into gold followed with silver. Watch. First, if you see gold on the hourly charts, we can clearly find out a little support here at 27.30.32 coming into picture. It needs to break below this zone in order to confirm further bearishness. Yes, if you see it is staying below 27.30.32, we can expect more bearish. Else, right now I can see a very good support coming in here on the downside for both the metals. And yes, specifically if you talk about gold here, see moving averages are trading with divergence, certainly a bearish sign here on the hourly charts. While if you look at the charts here, you will find drop, a slight retracement, then a bigger swing, and this is a V-shaped recovery. Once it stays beyond 27.46, you can expect more rise to be here. Yes, beyond 27.46 is where we can look forward to 27.50.52, 27.55.56 and 27.60. As we have discussed earlier in the day, only bullishness confirmation of reversal for gold today is about 27.60 levels. As long as it stays below 27.60, do not treat this as bullish. Very stochastic here is rising, and the MACD is also under retracement with moderate bullishness here. You can see the slope is very much gradual here. RSI is also looking upwards, coming to 2 hour. When you see the 2 hour chart, see, despite its trading bearish, what we have seen is getting resistance here from the 20 period moving average, which is indeed a very good resistance zone. And in fact, once it breaks beyond, see what is happening here, you should notice a good support is seen at 27.30. That is very gold needs to break below 27.30. That is the only level below which we can confirm bearishness. And at the same time, we are looking at lower highs here. Now it is important for gold to break beyond, and once it stays above 27.46, we can expect a movement towards 27.50.52, and beyond this is where you can look forward to a reversal here. And if it stays above 27.60, consider this for a reversal. Right now I can see signs are not very much encouraging for the bulls here. Stochastic trying to look downwards, trying to trade bearish, while look at the MACD. After staying bearish, it has just crossed over, trading with moderate bullishness here. This suggests that it can continue here for a while before reversing. And if you look at the RSI, this is almost near to bottom. Coming to 3 hours, look at 3 hour charts here. See drop, retracement, and a sharp candle has appeared. Now we can see a symmetrical candle here almost, and in fact the current candle has come with slightly higher highs. I expect it to close here somewhere at around 27.42, and with the next candle, if you see a rise, see, first important sign here is the crossover by the 20 and 50 period moving average. This is a bearish cross. This is the point which we need to be cautious of, and thus once it stays about 27.46, we can expect it to move towards 27.50.52, which is going to remain a very strong resistance. Also notice what it is doing here is bearishness retracement. See, the retracement levels are also getting smaller, and the bearishness is also getting diminished. So this suggests that there is a squeeze which is coming into picture, and thus we have to wait for a breakout either which ways in order to confirm a direction of for gold. Stochastic rising, MACD is bearish trying to converge, RSI is rising here. Coming to 4 hour, now on the 4 hour chart, see retracement and a reversal, and then this swing candle has appeared. Now see, swing candle has shown us lower lows here and higher highs here. Very important to note, 27.45.46 proven out to be a greater resistance. Few hours back with my Asia session, I have mentioned a buying entry is only about 27.46. Beautifully it has respected the level so far. What is happening here? Now see, if it closes about 27.42 and the next candle, when you see it is staying about 27.46, chances of a retracement towards 27.50.52, 27.55.56 and then 27.60.62 will increase, and that will confirm the reversal. Right now I do not see such bullishness here in gold prices. it is not showing the bullish intent. Rather, I have seen the momentum right now is with moderate bearishness, and if you see it trading below 27 30 32 any point of time, consider that another good round of drop will be there here very soon. Stochastic rising, MACD is bearish trying to converge, RSI is looking forward to a little rise. Coming to the daily, now see on the daily charts what has happened here right now. See, it is shying away from the 20 period moving average, sitting at around 2720. The second thing is the higher lows which it is showing right now, and diminishing bearishness. So this could become the reversal sign. Only thing is where the current candle closes right now. As long as 2750 52, or in fact 2760 zone is not taken, we should not confirm that it is trying to reverse. Remember, hitting the highs here at 2752, also it can reverse and trade in red. Be mindful of this. Yes, hitting the levels at 2750 52, or in fact 2760 till 2760, the chances of reversal are very high, and then you can expect a movement in fact towards 2720 levels very soon. If you look at the stochastic, this has hit an oversold zone, while the MACD here, look at the MACD just crossing over, trading with slight divergence, slight bearishness, looking downwards. RSI has also come out of the overbought zone. So looking at this, first thing is where you should buy. Only buying entries about 2746, where you can expect 2750 52, 2755 56, and then 2760 62. Once it breaks beyond 2760 62 is where the bulls are waiting, where you can look forward to a stronger bullish momentum, where we can expect it to hit 2780 zone again by tomorrow or day after tomorrow or some point of time this week. But I expect, or I see that the bulls are not very much interested in keeping the prices high here, and thus first thing is where to sell. I will recommend a sell now again at the same levels, 2735 36. You can expect 2730 32, very very good support here at 2730 32. If it breaks 2730 32 is the point where you can say now we are looking forward to a drop towards 27 20 24. First target 27 12 14 second, and then 270205 levels will come into picture, below which a major crash can be expected. Take your trades accordingly. Let's move to silver, and before we proceed, if you want to learn this art of trading, join my mentorship batch. And if you just want to trade as per the signals, be a part of my signals channel on Telegram. Connect with me, write an email or ping me over Telegram for your queries. Those who are looking forward to a broker which offers you a swap-free account with lowest spreads and no hidden charges, you can find the recommended broker link also in the channel and video description. Let's move to silver. Now see, silver has also shown a very good recovery, but again, the resistance levels at 2780 85, what we have mentioned, precisely 2785 has proven out to be a greater resistance. Earlier in the day, I have mentioned a buying entry in silver is only about 2785. Now see, again, this zone here between 2785 to 33 to 3320, these are the three critical levels which silver need to break in order to turn bullish. If you connect the dots here, you will find that silver is trading in this bearish channel. It has to come out of it, and if it breaks beyond 3320, that should be the confirmation of a reversal, else it is still trading with the bearish bias. If you look at the stochastic, this is rising. The MACD and RSI both are rising here on the hourly charts, and on the 2 hour, now see on the 2 hour charts, you can find out a very good support at around 3260, while the resistance zone is very clear at 3285, and thus you need to wait for the lower price to break above 3285. That will confirm a breakout, which will confirm the movement towards 33 zone. That is going to be the prime resistance zone, and that is also an achievable zone here. The moving averages are trading with divergence, staying bearish. If you look at the movement here on the 2 hour charts, look at the formation drop, retracement, drop, it could retrace towards where? See, if it continues to trade bullish from here, we can in fact expect silver to move towards $34 levels. Let's see if today is the day, or possibly with the elections tomorrow. Stochastic at top, MACD has crossed over at the bottom, trading with divergence, staying bullish. RSI is showing a bit of rise as well. And on the 3 hour charts, now see on the 3 hour charts, what it did, it has just achieved the median of the Bollinger Bands and the 20 period moving average. It has gone close to it. Now I will wait for the next candle, because see, red green red, if the next candle gives or delivers a breakout, and if it stays above 33, we can consider that as a bullish momentum. We can consider that as a sign of reversal, where we can in fact expect it to break beyond 3320, and then it can keep moving towards 33 50 60 zone here. I will say for silver right now, the momentum is not very much bearish here. It is trying to retrace, it is trying to recover some of the losses from the last session. Stochastic rising, MACD has hit the bottom. It has crossed over, trading with moderate divergence, moderate bullishness. It can recover a bit. RSI is rising. Coming to 4 hour, on the 4 hour chart, similar is the observation. See, a very important support is now created at around 3260-50 zone, and with that it is trying to rise. I will wait for the next candle. If it stays above 3285, 33 zone, certainly that is a confirmation of reversal here. Else right now what is happening, it is under retracement, lower highs, lower lows, and staying in this bearish channel. Now, staying in this bearish channel means if it drops now below 3255, 3250 zone, you can just initiate a selling entry, expect 32 to 30, 3220 zone, and below that we can expect it to in fact break beyond 32. But right now I can see silver is struggling here on the downside, and it appears that it is willing to recover some of the losses from the last week. Stochastic rising, MACD is willing to converge crossover, RSI is rising. Coming to daily, now on the daily charts, if you track it, you will find diminishing bearishness here. Then today, with the beginning of the week, we have seen a reversal sign, and with that it is starting to rise, and now it appears that we may see a move towards 33-33-20 zone, which should be ideally a greater resistance zone for silver for the day. Any movement beyond this zone is a good sign for the bulls here, where it can try to recover towards this zone, that is 33-50-60. Very clear from the daily charts as well. Only bearishness today is below 3250, that is very clear. Stochastic oversold, MACD is trading divergent and bearish, and RSI comfort. So looking at this, buying entries are at 3285, where you can expect 3305, 332025, and if it stays above 332025, stay bullish for 3350-60 zone, which is going to remain a greater resistance zone. Beyond this, targets are high towards $34 levels very soon. While on the downside today, selling entries at 3255, 3250 levels, and if you see it trading below 3255, 50, you can expect it to drop more. Where it can head towards, we can look forward to a move towards 3230, 3220 zone, and breaking below 3230, 3220 is where the bears are waiting, where we can expect 32, 3175 and 3150. Though I expect a little retracement, but these are markets. You have to take the trades as per the levels. Take your trades accordingly. Like, share, subscribe, and comment. Join my mentorship batch, join my signals channel. Reach out to me for your queries. Do join the recommended broker and enjoy your trading experience. See you again tomorrow with the Asia and Europe session with more updates. Stay tuned. Do like, share, and comment. Thank you.